Look, this, and this top faceless YouTuber channel are all sharing their success formula, which means the short videos that they used to share
worked in the past may no longer work today.
And the thing that did work is this kind of faceless channel. They make millions in past 1 year and grew so fast. 365 days ago, I found a method called YouTube automation, and until now, I have got 100K followers.
Wait, you only got 5K followers and $300.
Oh no, but I create one video every week consisting of more than 6 months. Is there anything wrong?
Don't worry, young men. Failure is the mother of success. Well, listen, you must miss something important. Don't just listen to others. Try to figure it out by yourself.
All right, do I still have a chance?
Sure, kid. God will bless everyone who works hard for life.
All right, let me do some research first. I am back with the recipe of their successful YouTube channel.
Simon, it's not that hard like you think.
Yeah, I did find some tools to change the game. All they are saying is good, but not exactly the way to their success. Anyway, no worry. I will show it to all of you, something that other YouTubers may not want to share at all. I will tell you the secret of these top faceless channels in YouTube, which make millions. If we can achieve 10% of them, $100K is totally enough. I am here to help someone who wants to start their side hustle online, like me, to grow faster. All right, the first step is to repeat to create your style. Look at this dude, yes, one of my favorite YouTubers. If you have watched his latest video, you will find each of them contains a lot of text animation. I did calculate, this text animation appears more than 10 times in one video. Not only this one, we are going to this account, almost half of this 60K views video are all showing only text. Never devalue the power of text. All right, the next step is editing. I watched almost every faceless YouTube channel's most popular video. Sorry to tell the truth, but the video editing skill is the key to growth rapidly, except you have an excellent script. I can divide the faceless account into 2 parts. The channel has less than 50K followers, and the channel has more than 50K followers and growing rapidly. The biggest difference between them is the editing skill. No worry, I know most of us use free editors like CapCut. It's good, yeah, but not enough. So we need to find another way. Never try to download AE or PR at the beginning of your game. It's a waste of time. I have to spend hours to learn how to use it and only give up. So let me introduce you to AutoAE, the easiest way to create viral YouTube hooks. Yeah, that's the way. AutoAE will update weekly. Only focus on the top YouTubers' newest viral hooks and turn them into an easy-to-use online version. Yeah, it's the chance for us to turn our video into the next level in seconds. If you ask me which is the tool that I will recommend to someone who want to turn their video into next level, it's this one. Okay, I don't just give some strategies. I'm here to tell you all the details. Pay attention. Every transition, key point, and screenshot of your video is the key part to leveling up your video. For transition clips, use this kind of flowchart to replace the boring first seconds bala bala bala. This will make people feel clear, and also it's a hook to let your viewers continue watching until the last step. For key points, use this kind of dynamic text to replace the normal bull list. Only animation can attract people's attention. For screenshots, turn them into 3D versions. Have to say, this is the easiest way to turn your video to the next level. All right, if you use all the methods above, trust me, your video editing is almost the top 1% in YouTube. By the way, today's video is created by CapCut and AutoAE. Then, it's live avatar. For YouTube faceless videos, viewers can only remember the speaking character and build trust with this character. It's not important who I am, maybe just someone who's too shy to show the face. Let's go back to these 2 parts of YouTube channels. You know what I found? Even though they all use avatar, but these guys only use this speaking one, but for these top YouTuber, they add body language. Interesting. The key is make your avatar can express emotion like all the top real person YouTubers, which can make your video remarkable and also get a high subscriber rate, then start monetizing faster. All right, just go to Canva and find these kind of suit man with body movement, then move their head and replace yours. Then click share and pick this transparent background and then click download. All right, everything is done. I did have a method to bulk create this kind of avatar. If you want this, leave comment. More than 10 comments. I will share it in next videos. Don't worry, it's not the end today. I know, I already share too much today. There is still a very important thing that I need to let you know. It's engagement mockups. Well, just like e-commerce store, they will upload mockups to show how it looked like. For Faceless channels, we are here to share success stories. It's the same. The fastest way to attract people's attention is show them the real result. So go back to AutoAE again. Yeah, it's a handy tool for me now. Look, these mockup is exactly what I need. So go here and fill the number you need. Also, you can replace the avatar and name. Now, the perfect mock-up with 3D effect is done. Have to say, amazing. As the number of hooks is still not that much, so go first, then you can create the very viral and unique content. I am a big fan of AutoAE now. It's free with watermark. Also, with the discount code in my description, you can get a 50% off for the yearly plan, which means you can download 1,000 hooks less than $50. Also, for a monthly subscription, less than $10 to get 100 hooks. Every hook is less than $0.1, but can 10 times your monetized speed. Good news for subscribers, you can leave your favorite YouTuber and hooks here. It will be done in a week. Alright, it's today's video, and from now I will only use CapCut and AutoAE to generate my rest video. Before I find a better tool, you can see my growth speed on live. It's Hey Alex here, share AI that help people wanna start side hustle. See you next week.